So you installed the new door, and now it's jammed. And what? It's literally jammed. Anyways, let's undo it.
How to undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me.
There's a lot of reasons doors can get jammed. They're crooked or loose, hardware can get bent, you name it, but there's usually a pretty simple fix. One of the most common problems you'll come across is your door rubbing against or getting stuck on the frame. This can happen if your install wasn't done perfect or as your house settles over time. A lot of times, the screws in your hinges can simply come loose, and this is a really easy fix. Just grab a screwdriver, tighten everything down, and test it out. And if your door is still jammed, the hinges might be a little out of alignment. So let's try another fix. I'm gonna be using a pair of pliers, a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, some wooden shims, and jam? We don't need jam. Who put jam here? Let's just get started. First, I'll use my flathead screwdriver and hammer to knock out the pin from the top hinge. Perfect. Then I'll put some shims under the door on the droopy side until it looks like it's sitting more centered in the door frame. Now, I'll use my pliers to bend the hinges back into alignment. All right, and now those are lined back up. All I need to do is reinstall my pin. Where'd my pin go? Here you go. Oh, thanks. Me? It's freaky. And next, I'll use my hammer to tap the pin back into place. It should go in easily now that everything has lined up. Then, we'll remove our shims and make sure the door's opening smoothly. Looks good to me. Now, on to the next fix. Come on, I'll show you. Now, let's talk about bifold doors. These are common on closets and pantries, and sometimes they fall off the tracks. Also, what's with all the jam? To fix a broken bifold door, here's what you'll need: a replacement guide wheel, a bifold door repair bracket, and a screwdriver. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take our door out of the frame. That way we can see what we're working on. Oftentimes, your guide wheel is the culprit if your door keeps falling off the tracks. Either the plastic wheel isn't spinning or the spring is not so springy. But that's okay, because we're gonna replace it with a new one. And this couldn't be an easier swap. Check it out. Awesome. Other times, the hole on top of your door for the pin can get damaged. And to fix that, we're gonna use a repair plate to reinforce it and secure everything down. Screw the repair bracket in place, then pop your pin back in. Nice. Then, we'll pop our door back in the tracks, and you're ready to roll. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's my jam. But seriously, whose jam is this? Anybody? Did anybody leave like a whole bunch of jam out here? As always, thanks a ton for watching. Make sure to click here or here for more episodes of How to Undo. And for more DIY tips, check out Homeowner 101 and DIY live-streamed workshops by The Home Depot. As always, click like and subscribe down below, and we will see you next time on How to Undo. It was you!